On to the most important question type in this module 8, type 2, which is all about the prediction. Predict how the operation of this ladder diagram will be affected as a result of the following faults. Consider each fault independently, that is one at a time, no multiple faults. So first see the first fault. Push button switch A fails open, which means the push button switch A is opened always. So this one is like this, open. So this relay coil won't work. Okay, so let's see what happens if it is not working. You can check for the contact CR1. In this one there is CR1 here, which is normally closed, so the current will flow here if it is not working, and CR3 will energize, and CR3 this will be closed, and lamp 1 will be always energized. So first you can write the answer, lamp 1 glows. Then about lamp 2, let's see. If you are not pressing push button B, what happens to lamp 2? CR2 won't energize, and this one will be normally closed, and this one will be normally closed, and lamp 2 will glow, which means if you keep the push button B opened, lamp 2 will be on, since this is normally closed. So the lamp 2 will be inverse status of push button B. Why you are writing the inverse status means, in the question it's not given anything about the push button B. So you need to write it as the condition, like the lamp 2 will be on if the push button is off or it is open. So this means lamp 2 is showing the inverse status of push button B. Okay, so you can write lamp 1 glows and lamp 2 have inverse status of push button B. Question number B. Relay coil CR2 fails open, which means relay coil CR2 is open always. You can see the CR2 here, this is open, which means this is not working. Okay, what happens to lamp 1 here? If CR2 is not working, even though there is CR1 which is normally closed and current will flow through this, and CR3, and this will work. Okay, so lamp 1 will work, and since the question is CR2 fails open, so this is not working, and it will keep CR2 normally, since the normally closed CR2 to contact, it will be it won't change, it will be like this, and the lamp 2 will glow. So the answer will be lamp 1 and lamp 2 have inverse status of push button B. Why? Because they give you only the relation between relay coil CR2 opened, which means since this is CR2 is open, which means the push button is not pressed, it is open. So this is an inverse status. Okay, and they no need to press this one. If you press this one, this circuit will open and lamp 2 will fail. So if you want to light lamp 1 and lamp to be on, you need both should be normally closed in the same way, which means none of them should be working, which means to so if CR1, if the condition is CR2 fails open, which means the lamp 1 and lamp 2 will have the inverse status of push buttons. That's it. Relay contact CR1 fails open, so this is CR1. If it is fails open means this is opened and this is opened. Okay, so what about lamp 1 CR3? Relay call CR3 CR1. So if it is not open, this will be closed and current will flow through this, and this will energize, this will be closed, and lamp 1 will blow. What about lamp 2? If CR1 is opened, if CR1 is open, this will be closed and current will flow, and there is some CR2 here. So lamp 2 will work according, which is the inverse status of push button B, which means if it is open, this will work. If it is closed, this will be normally open, so it won't work. So this is the answer 1. So lamp 1 will have inverse status of push button B. Then the relay contact CR21 fails shorted. CR21 means it's a contact, so you can see the CR21 here. So it's shorted means it's shorted for always. So the current will flow in this way and C3 will energize, lamp 1 will glow. D, lamp 1 will be always energized. Regarding lamp 2, you cannot specify. Either you can write it will work according to the inverse status of this one, both A and B, or if you leave it blank, no need for that. Okay. Relay conduct CR2 fails shorted. CR22 means this one. Fails shorted means it's shorted always. So you need to check only this one. Okay, this one will be inverse status of A. So lamp 2, the answer will be lamp 2 will have inverse status of A, which means inverse status of A means if you want this to be on, this should be off or open. So if it is open, you can see that this is normally closed, so it won't change, so current will flow through this and lamp 2 will glow. You can write about lamp 1 also if you want. Okay, but according to this one, it's not specified. You can write for lamp 2, you can write for lamp 1 and lamp 2, but since CR22 is only used for lamp 2, you can write on more specifically. They will check, the answer key will be regarding lamp 2. If CR21 is specified, you can check. CR21 is used in this circuit, which is for CR3. So lamp 1 will be the answer key. You need to specify the lamp 1, what is the condition for lamp 1 only. Okay, if it is a relay call, you can write the lamp 1's and lamp 2's condition, or if it is a push button, you can write both lamp 1's and lamp 2's condition. If it is a contact, just check where is that contact and check for the lamp associated with that, then only write for the associated lamp. This is all about type 2.